how to upload your music to SoundCloud. Now first what you need to do is create an account. You can just log in with your Google. Now after you've logged in, you need to go to upload. That's on the top right on the left side of your profile. Now after you've gone to the upload page, you will see that you have used 0% of your free uploads. That means that you get only limited amount of free uploads in SoundCloud. Now, here you will see drag and drop your tracks and albums. Now here, what you can do here is you just need to click on choose the file you want to upload or just drag and drop. Here you can just choose to upload a file. Let me just take a random photo, random file, and then drag and drop. Now here what you can do is you can rename the title, my music, and then just click enter. There you can add your description if you want. Now here what you can do is you can share your link. You can share music through this link. You can shorten the link too. And then what you could have done is that you could have added your photo too. Now after you've done that, just you can go to your track and see your video, see your music that you have uploaded. So that is all for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.